If you have minor children, it is very important that you nominate guardians for your minor children. Minor children in California are any child that you have that is under the age of 18. Anything that were to happen to you or the other parent of the child would mean that a court would be the one who decides who's going to be guardians for your minor children. You would have absolutely no say in who would actually raise your children if something happened to you. So it's important to ensure that you have legal documents that properly name guardians for your minor children. A few things to consider when looking at nominating guardians for your minor children is one, what is the relationship that the potential guardians have with your children? You want to ensure that the children are comfortable with them, that they know the guardians, that it isn't some long lost cousin that lives across the country and they've never met. In a very stressful situation that's going to be very emotionally tolling on your children, you want to ensure that they are the most comfortable they can be to be in a loving and caring relationship. Another thing to consider is the age of the guardians that you are choosing in relation to the age of your children. So, are they going to be able to keep up with your kids if you have babies or toddlers and you are nominating your parents that are maybe in their 70s? Is it going to be a lifestyle that your parents and your children are both going to be happy with? Are they going to even be able to do it? So, that's a really big consideration when it comes to identifying who you want to be guardians. Another consideration is the location of the guardians. Depending on the age of your children, let's say if your kids were in high school, if something were to happen to you and the other parent, and the guardians that you have nominated live a couple states away, are your high school children going to be okay relocating during high school to this new location? It's going to put a lot of emotional toll on your children to have to, as well as losing their parents, have to then move cross country and be removed from their high school and friends at that point. So it's really important to consider where the potential guardians live, and where you live when it comes to nominating guardians.